Alright guys, I'm doing a review of these organic GoGo Squeeze applesauce packets. So they're on sale, so I wanted to pick them up, and here we go. We'll do a quick taste test on them, so no sugar added. There's 4 different flavors: apple banana, apple strawberry, apple just by itself, and then you got peach. So these are the ingredients. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. Okay, let's open this up. Alright, so here's the box open. They come in these nice little squeeze packets. Take a look there. You guys want to read that, pause the back, pause the video. But we're going to do a quick taste test. And they spin off, and then you just eat them. It's like a juice box, but without having the juice. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so open the top there. Comes right off. That's what they look like. So it's literally just applesauce, and it's definitely not sweetened by anything. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. If you look there, apples, organic peach, and maybe some lemon juice. Yeah, it's pretty basic. So it is like lemon juice. So I mean, not lemon juice, applesauce. So it's almost like drinking apple juice. So definitely check it out, guys. If you're looking for something small that you can take somewhere portable, that'd be something neat. Alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.